Welcome back to EVAI Labs. Today, we're diving deep into the 2023 Mercedes-AMG EQE 53, a high-performance electric sedan that brings AMG's signature aggression to the EV world. This is Mercedes' answer to blending luxury, blistering speed, and zero-emissions driving in a mid-size package, essentially an electric take on the classic AMG E-Class formula but with instant torque and silent power delivery. Built on the same platform as the standard EQE, the AMG version amps up everything for enthusiasts who want supercar acceleration in a refined four-door. It may not have the dramatic engine note of AV8, but it compensates with raw thrust and cutting-edge tech. Let's kick things off with the exterior, where AMG styling cues make it stand out. The exterior of the 2023 AMG EQE 53 features a sleek, aerodynamic sedan body with aggressive AMG enhancements that give it a purposeful stance. The front end showcases a blacked-out Panamericana grille insert that's closed for better EV efficiency, flanked by slim, full LED headlights with adaptive high beam assist. The hood is sculpted with subtle power domes, and the lower fascia includes larger air intakes for cooling the dual motors. Along the sides, you get flush door handles, AMG-specific side sills, and optional 20 or 21-inch wheels with performance tires that fill the arches nicely. The profile is cab forward with a long wheelbase of about 122.8 inches, contributing to a planted look, while the rear features connected LED taillights, a subtle diffuser, quad exhaust style outlets that are decorative, and an AMG spoiler for added downforce. Overall length is around 196.9 inches, with a low height of about 59.5 inches for a sporty silhouette. Paint choices include striking options like graphite gray magno, and packages like Night Package add black accents for extra menace. It's not as flamboyant as some hypercars, but its clean lines and AMG badging scream performance without shouting. Inside, the AMG EQE 53 delivers Mercedes' signature luxury with sporty touches that elevate the experience. The cabin seats 5 comfortably, with heated and ventilated AMG Performance seats up front featuring strong bolstering, integrated headrests, and optional massage functions. Materials are top-tier, Nappa leather, microfiber, carbon fiber trim, and aluminum accents create a premium feel. The dashboard is dominated by the Hyperscreen option, a massive curved display spanning 56 inches that combines the 12.3-inch driver cluster, 17.7-inch central touchscreen, and passenger display. MBUX infotainment is intuitive with voice control, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, navigation with EV routing, and augmented reality directions. Rear passengers enjoy ample legroom, a flat floor, and climate controls. Cargo space is practical at about 18 cubic feet in the trunk, plus a small frunk. Tech highlights include Burmester 3D surround sound, ambient lighting with 64 colors, active noise cancellation for serenity, and driver aids like adaptive cruise, lane centering, and emergency braking. The interior is whisper quiet thanks to excellent insulation, making highway drives feel effortless and luxurious. Performance is the star here, with the AMG EQE 53 delivering ferocious acceleration and composed handling. Dual permanent magnet synchronous motors, one front, one rear, provide all-wheel drive via AMG 4MATIC Plus with variable torque distribution. Standard output is 617 horsepower and 701 pound-feet of torque, but with the optional Dynamic Plus package and race start mode, it jumps to 677 horsepower and 738 pound-feet. 0 to 60 miles per hour comes in about 3.2 seconds, neck-snappingly quick for a nearly 5,500-pound sedan. Top speed is electronically limited to 137 miles per hour standard or 149 miles per hour with the package. The 90.6 kWh battery offers an EPA-estimated range of 225 miles, with real-world highway tests hitting around 230 miles at 75 miles per hour. Efficiency is rated at 74 mpg city and 73 highway combined. The AMG Ride Control Plus adaptive suspension with air springs soaks up bumps while keeping body roll in check, and rear axle steering improves agility at low speeds and stability at high ones. Braking uses large carbon ceramic options for strong stopping power, with adjustable region for one-pedal driving. It feels planted in corners thanks to the low battery placement, though the steering is more precise than razor sharp. Charging reaches up to 170 kilowatts DC fast, taking about 32 minutes for 10 to 80%, while level 2 at 9.6 kilowatts fills it in roughly 9.5 hours. Pricing for the 2023 Mercedes-AMG EQE 53 started around $106,900 to $108,050 for the base model, with well-equipped examples climbing to $110,000 or more. Adding the Dynamic Plus package for extra power, premium wheels, or the Hyperscreen could push it higher. Compared to rivals like the Porsche Taycan or BMW i4 M50, it offers strong value in the luxury performance EV segment, with generous standard features and that unmistakable Mercedes refinement. While it didn't qualify for major tax credits at launch, incentives varied by state. In summary, the 2023 Mercedes-AMG EQE 53 is a thrilling electric sedan that combines blistering speed, opulent luxury, and everyday usability. It may trade engine drama for silent power, but the performance is undeniable. Thanks for watching EVAI Labs. Subscribe for more EV deep dives, and tell us in the comments if this AMG beast is your kind of ride. See you next time.